Welcome to my channel. This is Rajeev and today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, which is the application of fraction. In some last videos we had to discuss the fundamental operations with the fraction, and I hope that you understood everything clearly. So today let's start the application of fraction. Since everything that we learn at first, after the completion of our learning, we use the knowledge that we learned in the application which belongs to our life. So here we also solve some problem that belongs to our daily life. So let's start from a question. The given question is, what length is? The very simple and fundamental question. What length is what length is 1 by 3 of the perimeter of square perimeter of square of length 6 centimeter. This is the given question. The question says that what is the length, what is the 1/3 length of the perimeter of a square whose side is 6 centimeter long. So in order to find out the length of the perimeter, first of all we shall find the perimeter of a square, then we multiply the perimeter of a square to 1 by 3 in order to get the 1/3 length of the perimeter. The simple meaning of this question is that we have to find out the 1/3 length of the perimeter of the square whose side length is 6 centimeter. So students, let's first we find the perimeter of square. The perimeter of square. We know that the perimeter of square is 4 into side. This is the formula to find out the perimeter of square. The perimeter of square is given by 4 into side. The side of square is given in the question is 6 centimeter. Therefore, we get 4 multiplied by 6, and this is equal to 24 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of square is 24 centimeter. Now we have to find out the 1/3 part of perimeter of the square. Therefore, according to the problem, we get let me read the question. 1 by 3 multiplied by perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. So this will be equal to 1 by 3 multiplied by perimeter of square. Here we obtained as 24 centimeter. So multiplying it by 24. Now solve it. Then 3 1 are 3 and 3 8 are 24. Therefore the 1/3 length of the perimeter of square is 8 centimeter. Therefore 8 centimeter is the right answer. Okay. Once again, listen the question carefully. The question says that what length is 1/3, that is 1 by 3, of the perimeter of a square whose side length is 6 centimeter. The question says that find out the 1/3 length of the perimeter of a square. So first of all, we need to find out the perimeter of the square. The length of the side of square is given at 6 centimeter in the question. Since we also know that the perimeter of a square is 4 times of side. Okay, so now substitute the value. We get 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24 centimeter. Therefore 24 centimeter will be the perimeter of the square. Now, according to the problem says that find out the 1/3 length of the perimeter of a square. So, here 1 by 3 multiplied by perimeter of a square. So, put the value. So 1 by 3 will remain as it is, and perimeter of a square we obtained here as 24. So, put here 24. Now simplify. When we simplify, we get 24 divided by 3 gives 8. Therefore, 8 will be the 1/3 length of the perimeter of a square. Okay, student. I hope the solution is clear. Now let us see the next question. The next question is, Ria has to travel from city A to city B. Ria has to travel from city A to city B. City A to city B. She has completed 1/4. She has completed 1/4 of the journey of the journey. How much distance? There is a little bit missed. From city A to city B is which is 88 kilometer away. So let me write. Which is 88 kilometer away. She has completed fourth of journey. 1/4 of journey. How much distance has she covered? How much distance has she covered? And how much remain? And how much remain? Okay, so this is the given question. Now let's see what does question say, and then we shall try to solve. Question says that Ria has to travel from city A to city B, which is 88 kilometers away. Suppose that this is city A and this is city B. The distance between the city A to city B is 88 kilometers. Okay. She has completed 1/4 of journey. 1/4 means if we divide the total distance in 4 equal parts, then each part will represent 1/4. Therefore, this is the 1/4 distance of the total distance. This is the 1/4 distance of total journey. So, Ria completed 1/4 of journey. That means Ria reached a point P from a point A. How much distance has she covered? The first question says that how much distance has she covered? So, student, let me explain. Since the total distance was 88 kilometers and Ria completed 1/4 journey. Since the total journey was 88 kilometers and she covered 1/4 of her journey. That means we have to find out 1/4 of total distance. Therefore, when we solve, we get 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8 and 4 2 is 8. Therefore, she has covered 22 kilometers. The 1/4 of 88 kilometers is 22 kilometers. So 22 kilometers represents the distance covered by Ria. Now the next question is how much remained? And here the next question asks that how much distance remained to cover. Since 22 kilometers she has covered and the total distance was 88 kilometers. Therefore, when we find the difference from 88 kilometer by 22 kilometer, we get the remaining distance. Therefore, the remaining distance is equal to 88 minus 22. What is 88? 88 is total distance and 22 is 1/4 distance of the total covered by Ria. Therefore, if we subtract the covered distance from the total distance, we shall get the remaining distance. Therefore, the remaining distance is 66 kilometer. Therefore, 66 kilometer is the right answer. Okay, so 66 kilometer is the remaining distance to cover. So student, I hope every question and every step of this question is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, then go to the comment section and mention there. I will clear in the next video. So student, I hope you will solve more and more questions at your home. So we shall meet in the next video with new questions. Till then, goodbye.